Hello and welcome to the social place for boaters, The Drift. I'm your host, Sierra Goodwill. Let's drift sociably. Let's catch up with our project boat. We're headed to Full Keel Marine, where the upgrades on our old Aquasport 225 are moving right along. This time, we explore some ideas on how to bring our faded hull back to life.
The Whisper Gray on this North Coast, amazing.
Yeah, great color, beautiful color. This is the Whisper Gray North Coast 315 HT. As you can see, it provides such a nice finish. The lighter colors are, in my opinion, much better. As you can see with the darker hulls, you're going to get the fading, you got a lot more imperfection, and God forbid you scratch it, it stands out much, much more.
Now, we've done so much to our project boat, right? Rub rails and really getting this cleaned up interior and the like. Should we paint the hull?
You know,
what's the best way to go?
That's a great question. If you like this color, with the products today in the world of wrapping hulls and wrapping boats, it'd be a really good alternative.
So we're wrapping just like they wrap sports cars?
Yeah, sports cars, vans, contractors. The wrap is really, it's a great product, and we've done multiple.
I like it. Let's take a look at what we can do to our old girl over here.
All right.
So John, here it is, that oxidation that you talked about, those years and years of get it good in the spring, but 3 or 4 weeks it's back to this again. There's no bringing this back, right?
Yeah, no, it's a common problem. I think with the age and everything, we're definitely at the end of life.
So what's the process? Does this get sanded down a bit? Obviously you have to take care of these little blemishes, little cracks, right, before a wrap goes on?
Absolutely. So, great question. So in the world of painting, right, there's a term, if you can feel it, you can see it. So even the littlest little imperfection, let's say we're doing an all-craft job or something to that effect, if you can feel something, you're going to see it. Anything like this, you got a ridge here. This is obviously an old, just temp repair. That's going to get sanded out, smooth, flat, and then we just we kind of know what to feel for to fill, and then we know what will get covered, without being a major issue. And also, like anything, the lighter the color, the less you see.
Right. So you recommend a lighter color, like that North Coast, which is amazing.
Absolutely.
Show less imperfections, sort of like the classic cars, right? A black car is
going to show you everything.
So John, how about this thing? This is pretty significant. You can't wrap over that, right?
No,
that's going to show right through the wrap.
Absolutely, yep. So that's definitely a qualifier for a vinyl ester filler, a little fair back, sandback. But the beauty is with going under the wrap, then you're not doing anything with color matching, anything like that. So we want to get rid of, you get these real finer hairline cracks, you can go over that. That's no problem. You get anything deeper, more gouging, etc., you got to take care of that before you get the wrap on top of it.
So it's a great way to hide this spider cracking here.
The fine spider cracking.
Go right over that.
It's going to go over that. It's going to lay over it, and it does well.
Now with our wrap artist, we'll call him a wrap artist, right? Would he want the rub rail on first, or do you want to do it before the rub rail, do you think?
Yeah, no, in this circumstance, and I believe he would rather have this naked, no rub rail, and get it wrapped, get it covered, then we'd throw the rub rail on top of that. That would just be the best course of getting everything hidden and seeing no seams.
So the wrap is applied with heat, and it comes into all of these crevices? Yeah,
it's amazing when they're wrapping. I mean, heat is a factor. You need as warm as atmosphere as you can get, and then they also are using a heat gun to work the product through, and it's quite impressive to see how they do it. It's a really, really fine craft.
Thanks to our project boat partners at Full Keel Marine, our old boat is finding a new life. We love it, and as always, you can find more Project Boat at driftsociably.com and at Drift Sociably on social media, and find the full Project Boat series on our YouTube channel at Drift Sociably.